Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. So I kind of want to go in a little more in depth of my diet and my detoxing and the things that I did to heal myself. So the first thing I did is when I first started my detox program, I hit the fruit really hard. I was doing 40-day fruit fast. I was taking the herbs. I did a 15-day grape fast. So I was doing a lot. I was on a high fruit diet. But I want to let you know, I did not become a fruitarian. Okay, I did these fasts, but then I would pull back, and then I would start bringing in some nuts and seeds and some salads and some avocados, and I would build myself back up. And I would even sometimes have cooked foods, like cooked broccoli with some avocado and the coconut aminos on there with a couple of cashews on there. And then I would go back to the fruit again. So I just want to let you know, I did not become a fruitarian. And I think that might be why a lot of people may shy away from Dr. Morse. They just think, how could you just eat fruit? That's not sustainable, which there are fruitarians out there. But personally, I would never become a fruitarian. This is just a short-term thing. This is detoxing the body. And even when I was on my high fruit and I would pull in the salads, I was still detoxing. I was still getting good kidney filtration, especially after I started getting my kidneys filtering. I think that's the key. You know, when you first start detoxing your body, you really want to get these doors open. You want to get those kidneys filtering. You want to get the lymphatic system. You want to get that lymph moving, and you want to start eliminating the toxins, the trash out of the body. So I think when you first start hitting the body and detoxing, I think fruit fasting, juice fasting, all these things are really, really important when we're trying to heal and when we are healing our body. So just remember that. And I just wanted to do a quick video on that because, like I said, I did not become a fruitarian. So with that, I hope you guys are all having a wonderful, blessed day, and I will see you in the next video. You guys take care. Bye-bye.